Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota in Sarasota, Florida. We are located on 301 on the corner of Televast and 301, just north of University Ave. Today we are going to highlight this 1979 Super Beetle convertible. It comes well documented. We'll get into that in a second. Again, the 79 Super Beetle is air-cooled, 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual, white exterior with white interior. Just a fabulous looking vehicle. Again, as we look around the exterior here, as I mentioned, it is white. Obviously you can see that, but the chrome is in great condition. You see the chrome bumpers, the chrome mirrors on the vehicle. The white convertible top, again, is in excellent condition. As we look the vehicle over, it has been completely restored. See the chrome bumpers in the back. Engine compartment. Engine is very clean, runs very well. As I mentioned, it is a very well documented vehicle. I'll show you the documentation. I have a 3-ring binder in it. Just not going to go through every single page, but it has some receipts of the build. It was appraised, certified appraisal, and the scoring that's in there. And it has a bunch of maintenance receipts that was done on the vehicle with the restoration. So again, very well documented. In the back here has a shipping label here. And again, just very well documented vehicle. Very clean. You can see the interior, the white interior. As we look through it, black dash, seat belts in the back. As we get in it, we'll show the interior, but also wanted to touch base on the mechanical. We'll start it up as well. It does have a, as I mentioned, 4-cylinder in this. Runs very well. 4-speed. Go ahead and get the keys. Let you listen to the vehicle here. Starts right up. Make sure we're in neutral. Again, it runs as it should. The buzzing that you hear is we do have the door open. But you can see the fuel gauge, mileage, clock is working. It does have a Blaupunkt radio. Go ahead and shut the door. You can hear the buzzer does go off. To listen to the engine. No knocks, no rattling. It's that quiet sound of the Beetle. Look, that again closes very nicely. If you are interested in this vehicle, please visit our website. We have additional pictures of this vehicle on our website. I think we have about 75 to 100 pictures on our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Or if you have questions, please give us a call at 941-355-1955. We do have finance partners. If you are looking for finance, we can get you financing on this vehicle. And we, Kayla, who's our office manager, Works on shipping for us and is able to ship this worldwide for you, door to door. Again, she's been doing shipping for about 9.5, 10 years and ships all over the world. So we can get your shipping needs taken care of in-house. Please give us a call at 941-355-1955. You can see the boot for the convertible top. Again, very clean, nicely done. Go ahead and shut the bonnet, or frunk as some may call it. Again, very nicely done, in excellent condition, fully restored, 1979 Super Beetle. Very rare for, great condition on this Super Beetle. And if you have questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955 on this vehicle or any other vehicle we may have in inventory. I have several vets in stock, a heavy Chevy, Camaro SS 396, 64 Factory Air Coupe, and on the other side we have several vehicles as well. We keep about 100 vehicles in inventory, so please visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. But today I wanted to focus on this 79 Beetle. Again, if you have questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Thank you very much.